Page 87. He went to the movies by himself. Listen to the model.
What did John do yesterday?
He went to the movies.
Oh, who did he go to the movies with?
Nobody. He went to the movies by himself.
Do exercises 1 through 8. You will hear the correct line after you speak. 1. We'll begin.
What did Aunt Ethel do yesterday?
She went to the circus.
Oh, who did she go to the circus with?
Nobody. She went to the circus by herself.
2. We'll begin.
What did your parents do yesterday?
They went sailing.
Oh, who did they go sailing with?
Nobody. They went sailing by themselves.
3. We'll begin.
What did you and your wife do yesterday?
We had a picnic.
Oh, who did you have a picnic with?
Nobody. We had a picnic by ourselves.
4. We'll begin.
What did Anne do yesterday?
She drove to the mountains.
Oh, who did she drive to the mountains with?
Nobody. She drove to the mountains by herself.
5. We'll begin.
What did you do yesterday?
I went bowling.
Oh, who did you go bowling with?
Nobody. I went bowling by myself.
6. We'll begin.
What did your brother and sister do yesterday?
They played volleyball.
Oh, who did they play volleyball with?
Nobody. They played volleyball by themselves.
7. You begin.
What did Grandma do yesterday?
She took a walk in the park.
Oh, who did she take a walk in the park with?
Nobody. She took a walk in the park by herself.
8. You begin.
What did Uncle Joe do yesterday?
He went fishing.
Oh, who did he go fishing with?
Nobody. He went fishing by himself.